Heavy rain continues in various governorates of Oman. According to the warnings of the Meteorological Center, the rain started on Monday night. No untoward incident has been reported anywhere. The authorities have warned people not to try to cross the border as the plaintiffs are overflowing in various provinces. Due to the inundation of the roads, there was a slight traffic disruption in the inner villages. Oman shuts schools due to heavy rains. Due to the expected heavy rainfall in Oman's northern governorates, the Ministry of Education has decided to suspend studies. Many areas in the north, including parts of Al-Dahira, Al-Dakhiliya, South Al-Batina, and North Al-Batina, are already experiencing heavy rain. On Monday evening, there were thunderstorms and strong winds in Dhofar and Musandam, resulting in the suspension of classes at all public and private schools in these regions. The ministry decided to suspend studies on Tuesday, March 28, 2023, in all public and private schools, morning and evening, in the governorates of Musandam, North Al-Batina, Al-Buraymi and Al-Dahira. Work in schools will resume on Wednesday, March 29, 2023, the ministry said. According to the Oman news agency, school lessons and evening classes were suspended on Tuesday in Al-Amrat and Qurayat governorates due to heavy rain, with classes set to resume the following day. Oman's Met Office predicted rainfall in other governorates, which could lead to wadis overflowing and posing a risk to people and property. The Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Water Resources also advised farmers, livestock breeders, beekeepers, and fishermen to take precautions and stay safe. Oman's Civil Aviation Authority warned people to avoid low-lying areas and not to cross wadis. The country has experienced heavy rain and flash floods in the past, with 19 deaths and 40 rescues during a week-long storm last July. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Have a nice day.